Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use trigger links inside emails or your email campaigns. First, you need to be inside the sub-account or location you'll be sending an email from, and we'll include the trigger link. One area where you can find or use trigger links is inside conversations. Locate the contact and then choose email. Compose the email. Look for the More icon, which is the plus sign, and click it. Click Trigger Links, and then choose the trigger link you want to include. Something to remember is that trigger links used within emails cannot be shortened. So just format the email the way you want, maybe include an arrow or something like that to point them over to the link. Another area where you can use trigger links for your email campaigns is in a workflow. Just choose the specific workflow which has the email you would like to add the trigger link to if you've already created an email action. Or you can create an email action for the workflow and add the trigger link. For our example, we already have an email action, so we're going to click the email action to open the email editor. Scroll to the editor where you're composing your message. Below the editor toolbar, you'll find the trigger links dropdown. Just click there and choose the trigger link you would like to insert. Just like the other example, it will show the long link. But using trigger links inside workflow actions gives you the ability to create a hyperlink. For example, I'm just going to highlight and copy the trigger link I just inserted. Say that I wanted to turn the word yes into a hyperlink. So I'm going to highlight it, click on the link icon in the toolbar, paste the copied link into the URL field, and click Save. Now, instead of a long link, you can have this hyperlink instead. Just remember to remove the trigger link from the email body so you don't have a duplicate link in the email. And that's how you can add trigger links to your emails. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day. Thanks for watching this short how-to video. For more how-to videos, check out the High Level How-Tos playlist in the High Level YouTube channel.